Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make a stand and please donate on PlayStation, Roblox, PS4 or PS5. Okay, first things first, launch Roblox on your PS4 or PS5. Go to Please Donate and press the square button to claim the stand and just modify the stand's title and model to your preference. You can also visit roblox.com in your browser or mobile device and click on Create and scroll down to Experiences and choose Manage Experience. Select associated items, then passes, and create a new pass by giving it a recognizable name. Optionally, upload a photo. This step isn't necessary, so just save the created pass once you are satisfied. Locate the pass then under Sales and set it for sale. Assign prices such as 4, 20, or 50, or anything that you like, and save the changes. After that, just restart your Roblox on your PS4 or PS5. Claim the stand and the donation pass should be available for purchase. Verify that the passes are set for sale and accessible from the PS4 or PS5. Claim the stand again to ensure that the donation buttons are visible. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now make a stand and please donate on PlayStation, Roblox, PS4, or PS5. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.